Falcons. We are here with Dr. Seuss and we're getting ready to draw. We're at the Seussville site, and up here at the top you want to select under Explore, you want to select characters, and you're going to go to a page where you see just about every character that was in any Dr. Seuss book he ever wrote. And you're going to use one of these characters to help you draw. It's going to give you some place to start. So I'd like you to select a character, and then you're going to open a large web document, and you're going to choose for yourself whether you want it to be landscape. Max might right here might need a landscape image. Or do you want to have a portrait image? We're going to do the whole cat in the hat. We'll do this much of the cat in the hat. So it's really an up and down sort of thing. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom of the list, and I'm going to pick the last guy, Ziggy Zasafassel. And on my keyboard, I'm going to hold down Command plus. I want to make him as big as I possibly can on my monitor, and I'm going to take a screenshot by holding down Command Shift 4, and I'm going to take a photograph of what I see. Now I'm going to come to Photoshop, and I'm going to use the open command to open that screenshot, and I'm going to select it all and go to File, New. We are using web up here because we're creating web images. This is a large size image, and since he's standing up, I'm going to choose a portrait orientation, and I'm going to keep the background white. I'm going to go ahead and paste my image, and I'm going to use Command T, to scale that image so he is almost as tall as the paper. That's pretty darn good. Click check. Now this is going to be my model. I'm going to add a layer, and here where my drawing is, I'm going to lower the opacity to maybe 50–60%. Now I'm going to be doing my drawing up here, and I'm going to be using the brush tool.